Welcome. Today in front of me SONY Xperia 10.3 and I'll show you how to turn off auto updates apps on this device. So first go to the Play Store, and here on the right upper corner, also you can have that here on the left upper corner, tap on this icon and go to the settings section. Now you'll see here the network preferences. Go there and tap on the auto update apps and switch it to the don't auto update apps and confirm that by tap to done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.